The possibilities for us today. Greg, take it away.
Reynolds and Kyler, thank you guys very much. I love looking at the satellite pictures because they can oftentimes tell us the story in front of our eyes without really having to say much. Let's look at the water vapor imagery showing you the motions at high altitudes in the atmosphere. Look at this. These cloud elements, these water vapor elements are moving like that, showing you a dip in the jet stream right here, right now in place. And you know when we have those, that can oftentimes bring big weather. This one will do just that, I think, beginning later on this afternoon and evening across the high plains of Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. I put on the wind flow here as well to show you exactly what it looks like, and that inside of that dip in the jet stream right here, we have winds over 150 miles per hour in this what's called jet mass, core of really, really fast winds. And when that thing comes out over the southern plains, it's going to uncork the atmosphere, allow some lift to take place, essentially triggering the thunderstorms, I think, late this evening or tonight, right out here, guys. Primary hazards today, primary risks for those storms would be high winds and large hail. Tornado is possible, but not so high on the likely scale. We have torcons of 3 out there, 30% chance of a tornado within 50 miles of a point. Of course, it's non-zero, so you got to pay attention to it as well. One of the reasons why the storms are going to get real big and strong is because of this moisture return flow that we're going to see, bringing more energy at low levels for those storms to grow strong. Let's start at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Look at some of these dew points and how they creep up during the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning. That moisture transport, pretty strong, out of the south, is going to humidify the lower atmosphere here. And when that high altitude wind energy moves in from the west, boom, we're going to have it all develop, and it's going to happen pretty quickly. And it's going to hold together well after dark, well after midnight, all the way, basically continuously through tonight, tomorrow, and probably even tomorrow night. Monday evening, we have the jet stream shape like that. Winds aloft will be like that. At the ground, the winds will be kind of out of the same direction. That tells me the likely mode would be squall line, a line of thunderstorms with a lot of hazards in there. High winds, hail, and possibly some spin-ups on the edges of those enhanced outflows in that squall line. Basically, that's fancy talk for watch out. Really, all the way from southern Missouri down through Arkansas and Texas. That's noon tomorrow. Typically, you have these storms, right, weakening at night and in the morning and then firing up later. Not this time. This time, it's going to continue, I think, continuously move through the Mid-South all the way through, I would say, Arkansas, Mississippi, Tennessee, Alabama, Monday, and even to Tuesday. And Kyla and Reynolds are here to explain more about that. Guys,
we are. Thank you, Dr. Postel.